Hello, everybody. My name is Philipp Schulden. I'm working at Frankfurt School Blockchain Center. And as you might all know, Frankfurt School Blockchain Center is based on 4 pillars. The first one is startup advisory incubation. The second one is education and training. The third one is community and events. And the fourth one, within our capacity as a university, is conducting research projects. And one of these research projects is called KOSMoS. And to get to know more about this research project, I'm today talking to Konstantin Lichty. Konstantin is the project leader of KOSMoS, and very warm welcome, Konstantin. What exactly is KOSMoS about?
Well, basically, KOSMoS is a nationally funded research project that aims to create a blockchain platform for cross-company business models in the manufacturing industry. During this project, we work together with partners from the industry, academia, and software development to investigate and implement different use cases, such as providing transparent and automated maintenance, executing dynamic leasing contracts, and ensuring a simple proof of quality of delivered products. So let me give you an example. Currently, customers of one of the industrial partners can either purchase the machines from the partner directly or use them as a part of a static lease. So what we will do in this project is to convert the static leasing into dynamic leasing, which means the leasing rates are calculated depending on the machine use and the maintenance plan. The customer will then be able to see the parameters relevant to the leasing via a real-time dashboard. And in addition, he will receive a forecast of the development of his leasing rate based on historical and current usage. And that's where the blockchain comes into place. Each data that affects the leasing rate will be documented in the blockchain and then processed via smart contracts. So this example provides a blockchain solution that will increase transparency for both sides and will offer the customer a monetary advantage. Both parties can rely on the authenticity and integrity of the data because they are stored on the blockchain. Another example is about providing a blockchain-based maintenance log where both the machine manufacturer and the customer are informed in real time about maintenance measures and error messages from the machine. So the use of blockchain technology will further ensure that data is protected against manipulation.
Very interesting. Thank you very much. So what is actually the role of the FSBC and how do we contribute to the project?
So our part is basically about providing blockchain state-of-the-art knowledge and in the end, consulting with choosing and developing the most appropriate platform for this project. For example, at the beginning of the project last year, we analyzed in detail which blockchain framework is most suitable for the research project and what consensus mechanism best fits the requirements of our blockchain setting. Right now, we are working on a blockchain toolkit where we want to share our research results and, more importantly, where we want to offer a step-by-step guide on how to set up and implement a blockchain-based system like Hyperledger Fabric, as in our case, and how to really code smart contracts, especially for use cases in the manufacturing industry.
And so what are the next steps in the project, especially for the FSBC?
Well, the initial analysis and concepts for the use cases are closed. And after defining the blockchain interfaces, we now really start into passing into the implementation phase, where the rule set of the blockchain system and the smart contracts are actually coded. And we at the Frankfurt School Blockchain Center will continue working on the private blockchain toolkit. And furthermore, we will analyze and evaluate the KOSMoS use cases in terms of their viability and how further use cases can build upon the KOSMoS project. For example, if we think about stablecoins and the euro on blockchain that could be used for the dynamic leasing use case in the future.
So that was some kind of condensed information, but if people want to get to know more about KOSMoS, how can they find such information?
Sure. So far, we have published 2 articles on Medium, and you can find further information about the KOSMoS project on our FSBC homepage.
Konstantin, thank you very much for this very interesting insight into KOSMoS, and I wish you a very happy and nice day.
Thank you.